So another way we can light our scenes is with HDRIs, and something I like to do is load multiple maps. So if I press F10 on the keyboard, we're going to open up our render settings, and if we go to scene and down here, we'll see that when I import a HDRI from Chaos Cosmos, it comes in as a single map. And what we want to do is load multiple maps, which is here. So next I'm going to load the material editor by pressing M on the keyboard. I'm going to drag in the HDRI to here, and this might not be the most optimal way to do this, so if you know another way, I'd be happy to hear it. So I've brought in a sunset as well, and let's also bring in another sunset. Now we can close Cosmos, and we have 3 HDRIs here. And now we can go to multiple maps, and let's change this to 3, and then we're just going to plug each one of these in as an instance. So we've got sunset. Oh, I think they're all sunsets. So you could put daytimes in, you could get HDRIs from HDRI Haven, for example. But once you've got your 3 in, we can set up light mix, have them as instance, and now we can run an interactive render. And now we can notice that it's very bright, and that's because we have all of our HDRIs rendering at once. So what we can do is toggle everything off. And you see we've got like a hangover from the bloom and glare. So what we can do is go over to our post and turn that off for now, and then back over in light mix. If we turn on the first one, we can see that is how the first HDRI looks. This is the second one. And this is the third one, very blue. I think that's because we've got we've got the white balance in here. But this is a great way to render multiple versions of your same render. So you can turn all of these on. We don't want our sun, that's from earlier. But you can see we've now got this lighting scenario. We can have this one, or even this very blue sunset, which kind of looks pretty cool. And the great thing about this is that if we stop that and hit render, we can render the whole scene again until it reaches a noise level we want, like we did before. But you only have to render it once, and you're going to get 3 images out of this. So you can put as many HDRIs in here as you want. And this is a great way, say you're still working on lighting with your client, you can send over multiple versions without having to render all of these at different times. So go ahead and load up some HDRIs, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.